Welcome to another video. Today we will be speaking about how you're supposed to approach your trading from a multi-time frame analysis perspective. So how you're supposed to actually understand how the market moves from the monthly to the 4-hour time frame and how the patterns repeat over and over again. There is a lot of value to be taken from the video, from this free analysis and education that I always share on this channel and on TradingView. So make sure you watch the video until the end. Now, if you're new to the channel, I would like to introduce myself. I'm a top author on the TradingView platform, as well as running an educational company and being a full-time swing trader. Without further ado, let's get straight in the video and provide some free value. Okay, so I want to speak with you about the position we executed with students on GBP CAD for a nice 1 to 3.2 risk to reward. And I want to make the full analysis here with you guys because there is a lot of education to be taken from a full analysis. So let's start from the monthly time frame and see what kind of price action we were getting on the monthly time frame. So here from the monthly, it's clear that the first thing that we have is this very nice information, and that is the reason for which on TradingView I told many times to all of you, expect the market to make a push to the upside. Why? On the monthly time frame, if you see an M formation, you can expect a push to the upside, and if on the monthly you can expect a push to the upside, then you have basically predicted many months of price action. So you already have the direction of the market for many months, and you can use that direction on lower time frames to actually take your trades. Now, there is another thing to be taken from the monthly time frame. If you take your Fibonacci from the high to the low, what you can clearly see is that the market has broken from a monthly closing perspective above the golden ratio 0.618, which is this red Fibonacci level here. I will bring back the levels for all of you so you can read them. As you can see, this is the golden ratio, and this monthly candle had closed above it. And after the market has closed above it, the market went for a retest with this wick. And after a retest, you expect a push at least to the 0.786, which is the next Fibonacci level. I will bring back the levels again. Sorry for deleting them. So basically, we expected a push at least to this level from a monthly perspective, from a simple Fibonacci point of view. Because if you have the market that makes, for example, a push to the downside and then starts a retracement, what you will do, you will take your Fibonacci from the high to the low. And there are different levels at which the market can start and you push to the downside. If the market breaks above the 382 retracement, then you expect a push to the 50%. If the 50% breaks, then you expect a push to the 0.618. If the 0.618 breaks, then you expect a push to the 0.786. And that is what happened here. The market broke above the 0.618, as we have already seen. And after the break, you expect a retest and continuation to the 0.786. And that is basically the concept from which we already had a monthly target at this level, 1.7320. So going down on the weekly, from a weekly perspective, what do we have on a weekly? Not much. What we simply have from a weekly perspective is that the market is clearly making continuously making higher highs and higher lows. So basically in a very clear uptrend. So there is no reason to not be looking for longs from a weekly perspective, which is already enough, because from the monthly, we already know our target, our first target for this pair, which is this horizontal right here, which is the level just below the 0.786 from a monthly perspective. Now here on the daily, what kind of price action we're getting? On the daily time frame, is pretty clear that we have this strong resistance here, strong resistance, and all of that resistance gets broken with this push to the upside and becomes support, because as you know, previous resistance will become support. So after the market, and that is a pretty simple concept in the market, if you have a level that breaks and the market goes for a retest, previous resistance will be turned support. And in an ideal uptrend, the market will go every time to retest these levels of previous resistance, now turn support. So that is a pretty simple concept in the market, very key concept in the market. And here we have a clear previous resistance, turn support. And another confluence factor that you have is that if you take your Fibonacci from the low all the way to the high, then you can clearly see that the market is rejecting the 50% retracement, which is exactly inside of your previous resistance, now turn support. So you have even more confluence for this push to the upside. So the market was around this area here when we took the entry, and I will now show you. But we took our entry on the 4-hour time frame because that is the time frame for entry. This is a very important concept. The monthly, weekly, and daily time frame are for direction. The 4-hour time frame is for entry. So we already have our direction, we already have our target by analyzing the monthly, weekly, and daily. And then we will now drop on the 4-hour time frame and see how it to take the entry to our overall target. So when we were looking for our entry around this area, the market had already rejected the previous resistance, now turn support, as we have seen on the daily time frame. And here in the 4 hours, now there are many rules that need to be satisfied before we can take a trade. And I can't share with you the rules because, as you know, those are the rules of my strategies, the rules that are taught in the mentorship program. So I can't teach you that, but what I can tell you is that one of the many reasons for which we took the trade is from a simple structure perspective, and that is something that you can implement in your own trading. For example, if you look at the market went down, up, created a double formation, and then went for a retest of the previous resistance, now turn support. And you can use the retest of the previous resistance, turn support, to take your entry with a stop loss below the low and a take profit at the level that you have identified from a monthly, weekly, and daily perspective. And that is the most important thing in the market, to be able to position yourself with at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Why it is so important? Because if you have a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward, you will always be long-term consistently profitable if you're able to position yourself in this way. Why am I saying this? Because if, for example, you take 10 trades, okay, and you lose 7 trades, and so basically if you're risking 1% per trade and you lose 7 trades, you will have lost 7%. And you win only 3 trades, those 3 trades are 1 to 3 risk to reward. So you will have made 9%. So basically what happens is that if you win 3 trades out of 10, so you have a 30% win rate, you are still in profit 2%. Okay? And we are considering only a 1% risk per trade in this scenario. So let's put everything in perspective. Your job is to put yourself in a position to always have at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward. If you're able to position yourself with at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward, you will be consistently profitable in the long term if you're able to have a solid risk management and trading psychology and a good strategy that lets you be in a situation in which you have at least a 1 to 3 and you have good probabilities on your side. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button. It really does support the creation of more free analysis and education for all of you, as well as letting me know in the comments below what do you think I can do better and if you actually enjoyed the video. If you still haven't, make sure you go check out the mentorship program. It's a very complete program. You first get all of the rules of my strategies and then you trade them live with me. Every day I share with you a new market breakdown showing you which pairs are near to satisfying all the rules for entry and answering all of your questions within 24 hours in video format. So it's a very complete program. Make sure you go check it out and I will see you in the next video.